from American Waterscape.
We have just a few more details around the back here within the edges. Got a few more boulders to go in here. You can see you have the rear stone for this last waterfall is all sliced and diced and ready to go. It's just got to be switched into position. More edges around the side. We've got Sean over here doing plumbing. So we've got a little bit of everything going on and everybody racing to that timeline of noontime when we get our generator. So fingers crossed.
We're not even drinking yet.
First annual duck race.
And we're already first annual duck race. This is going to determine who buys the first drinks tonight. That's what's going to determine. That's Barbara Jean's. Great restaurant here in Jacksonville, Florida.
Your marks! Get set! Go!
Let's go, Ray! Let's go, Ray!
Rub it! Rub it! Give me the ball! Yes! Let's go! Come on! Go! 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 Oh, I'm gonna go on. Ready? I'm right behind you. This guy's getting hung up by the waterfall. I'm gonna get stuck in the waterfall. Go back. Go back. Leon is ready. Hold on. Let's get a little play back. And that's when we go back. Come on, Blue. Come on, man. Come on, Blue. All you gotta do is kick in the air. You're good. Yeah, come on. Please get out of there. Let's go. Move it. Oh, move it. Go, Wait, come on. Come on, Blue. Oh, man. Blue's going for it. Blue's going for it. Uh-oh. By the way, he's going. He's going.
Hey guys, long-awaited wrap. Check it out. So we have on this water feature, we've got the 1 mega waterfall that's facing all the outdoor patio space. So that's kind of like the money shot of the entire thing. Then you've got the backside waterfall facing this entrance coming in from that side, which is really, really cool. So some of the tenants on the backside see it. Another really, really cool feature is going to be, see that rock?
Yeah.
So that rock right there has that water coming out of it. We didn't plumb it that way. It's just the waterfall behind it's coming in and finding its way out. And some of those little details like that are some of the coolest things, because that's the kind of stuff you see in nature. You got this really cool bubble feature with the light inside of it. That rock was cored out. We didn't do it. So this rock came perfect from nature. That water right there, that source coming up is just a perfect source for just an extra little bubbler, right? And then lastly, another really cool detail is what they did up here with this rock formation and those cutouts. Those are, for the most part, natural. They had to do a couple chiseling to get the water to come out the way they wanted it to, but that's just also another really amazing spot. This is one of the longest projects. When we installed it, 2 months later, finally having electric, we rented a generator when we were out here and got the thing started up while April was even still here. We got it started up, but what we found out is that that generator wasn't producing the exact amperage and stuff that we needed, because once we actually had the electricians come off the building and bring power in and turn this thing on, it's way more volume right now than when we first did it. So Sean and I were out here, these two bridge stones, this one and this one, we had to lift these two stones up about 6 to 8 inches higher, because the water was coming in such a high velocity that it was getting dammed up on the rock, hitting it and actually flowing out the pavers on the right and left. And we never would have anticipated that, because it's just, these pumps are freaking amazing. One of the most impressive projects we've probably done to date, and definitely this year. I hope you enjoy it, get a nice long view. I hope you guys like this one. It's definitely a big one. All right, guys.